Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle in today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 3rd, 2024. Want to mention that tomorrow is the first Friday of the month, so we have a speed test, and we have not so good news in today's newspaper, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, so there will only be the regular puzzles, these 3 regular puzzles. Last one is this one. I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. News of today, well, there's a new NATO boss, a chief, yes, and it's our former Dutch Prime Minister, yeah. Alright, yeah, his name, Mark Rutten, yes. Alright, let me start with this one. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9376. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 16 printed digits. Well, 16. Need a new pencil. This one. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. 16. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one is 16. Can say it's a 3 stars, maybe a 0 stars, maybe a 1 star puzzle. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, only 1 single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here duo boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No duo boxes in this puzzle. How about triple box? Here triple box, there triple box. Contains the 1, the 2 and 3. Well, this box can be 3. The 3 could be here, could be there. So the 1 and the 2 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, it can't be a 5 anymore because we have a 5 in the same area. So this box should be a 4 then. Here again, the 1, 2 and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. But the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. So, no 5 here. This box should be a 4. Next question. Do we have here no quadrat boxes? I see only 1 quadrat box in this puzzle. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So, 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one. But mirrored, this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Okay. Only 2 of this kind of shapes. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this, you will see the S construction, but it's the same shape. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box, okay? It's the same shape. Then the following shape. Only one shape, yeah. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. It's also connected with that box, should be so 1. Here we have another same shape but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started with let's get started with the puzzle, yeah. 3 shapes. No. Let me say that again. 3 shapes, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, with maximum 6. My lines are very confusing. Alright, let me start again. We have here 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box, supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. These 2 boxes can, oh, this is connected with that box, should be also 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this Z or S construction for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box, supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, those 2 boxes can be 3, and these 2 boxes can be 3. 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so and that box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area, supposed to be there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 2. These 2 boxes can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area, supposed to be here. Then, let me see. This box can be 5. That box can be 5, so 1 box left for 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this area is supposed to be there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. No, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be 5, that box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then, let me see. 1 and a 4. Come on. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. If you place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for 3 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this quarter box for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4. Also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. And it's connected with that box. So 1 and 3. But this box cannot be a 3 anymore because we have a double 3 here. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution, place a 3 there. Alright. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark this. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 here. So 2 supposed to be here and a 4 goes there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Alright, so these 2 boxes can be a 4 now. So the only place left for the 4 should be here. This is reserved for the 1 and 3. Alright. Well, this box can also not be 1 or a 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. 1 or a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. Is connected with that box. So 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be in a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now. Overlook this 2. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Final 2 numbers. The 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Well. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well, please with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, we'll meet again tomorrow with a speed test. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.